Hey guys, it's your boy Samuel back with another vlog, and today we're going to test out this. Okay, as you can see, so this is a phone mount, or you can call it a harness for my phone. Yeah, for my phone. So I want to start vlogging travels and events and everything, so I bought this harness, or you can call it a phone mount, for that purpose. So today we are going to test it. Yes, because I want to change the angles and find the right angle to be able to be taking these videos. So this is how the phone mount looks like, as you can see. Yeah, I had to wear my riding jacket because I wanted to fit to be a right fit. Yeah, so I had to do some modifications, right? Because you have to bring the phone down while you're edit or you want to start the video. So I just added this to add the elastic feel, yeah, so it can come back nicely. So this is only for small phones like iPhones. Yeah, I don't think the big phones can fit, but it's also compatible with the really small phones like the Google Pixel, like the iPhone. And I use a Google Pixel, by the way. So yeah, I'm an Android guy. So this is a phone mount. So I've already adjusted it, so I'm about to get on my bike and start the video. So tell me about the video angles. Did you like the video angles, so that we can start vlogging? Because I usually go with my bike many places. So let's start the video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you. Hope you liked the video. That was the video of me testing the camera. I think it worked out fine. I think the angle, I finally got the right angle. So expect more videos. If you need this harness, this phone mount, I'll leave a link in the description. So just click the link and it will take you right to the phone mount. Yes, you can buy, and also you can start vlogging. Is that okay? So subscribe to the channel, like the channel, support your guy, and more videos coming. 2 videos every week, so subscribe. Toodles.